Hi, I'm Dr. Judith Thompson, and I'm the Dean of Herbal Medicine. The program here at ACHS is unique, and it is the only accredited herbal program in the United States at this time. And so being able to graduate from a program like this gives you a higher standing than any other herbal program. So we've got different ways in which people can engage with herbal medicine. We provide things that will actually immerse you in herbal medicine. So things like herb kits where you get to smell the herbs and touch them and make different kinds of herbal preparations and taste them and put them on your body. And so it's really immersive in that way, and you get to know these plants on a completely different level as opposed to just reading about them in a book. So if you're considering joining this program, one of the things to think about is, what do you want to contribute to the world? Because you'll be busy and there will be things that will want to take your attention, but keeping that end goal or vision of yourself, being able to heal and help other people, that's one of those things that will stay at the center and really help you in the studies.